Hello everyone. We wanted to give you a quick update on the progress of the Wonder Pickle comic book and augmented reality app. And today we wanted to show you kind of a behind the scenes of the development process that we're using developing the companion app to the comic book. As you may realize, having looked over the Kickstarter, you may realize that our comic book is a printed comic book, and it will have augmented reality tied to the comic book, and some of the components in the augmented reality app will be truly augmented reality. In other words, you'll be able to use your device and be able to play the games or interact with the characters directly in the real world. But also other parts of the gaming app will be what we call mobile only. In other words, you won't have to have the comic book to interact. You'll be able to play games like you normally would. It's an interesting mix, an interesting concept that we've been working on. So what I wanted to show you today is the platform that we're using to develop the applications. And this is a sample piece of the one of the mini games we call the miniature games that will be included in the app. And basically, Wonder Pickle is having to do some training. So he's working on his running, and this little mini game, Wonder Pickle will be exercising, exercising in an infinite world, basically. So this is kind of the platform that we're using. You see Wonder Pickle standing here, and we have all sorts of really cool things like cameras and camera previews, and we can look at all sorts of information, lots of data that we have to plug in, and of course a lot of code that we have to write for each of these portions of the app. But I wanted to give you a quick little preview of this specific animation and little game that will be part of the overall app. I apologize up front. There are there's lots of little pieces still missing, but it should give you a quick little flavor. So we can actually test. We can test our app here directly within this build environment. And you'll see there's an infinite amount of space for Wonder Pickle to sit here and run. And we say, go, Mr. Pickle, and whoops. So that's just a kind of an early behind-the-scenes view of one of the mini apps that will be part of the overall Wonder Pickle comic. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll have more updates and more cool behind-the-scenes coming up. Thanks.